Yeah, baby. Let me take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all okay? I hope y'all are. Because right now it is freezing in Georgia. They have closed down schools, they have closed down jobs. Y'all, it's a state of emergency right now in Georgia because it's so cold. But I hope that wherever you are happy, safe, healthy, and warm. I'm staying warm, I'm staying safe, staying healthy. We have a nail drill, an electric nail drill machine that was sent over by Kredioo, and I hope I'm saying it right. Kredioo sent me over this nail drill to review for you guys, and I'm gonna do it. So this is just a brief unboxing, and yes, I have already opened this up because I was excited and I wanted to see what the nail drill looked like. But go ahead and open it up right here with y'all. Okay, so this is how the nail drill looks when you first open up the box that it came in. It has, of course, the book of instructions, and I will definitely say that if you are not familiar with what to do with certain electronics, it doesn't matter what it is. Y'all read the user manual. The user manual is here for you, and you should use it, okay? User manual. Use it, please. So it comes with this user manual, and the user manual is, of course, just like standard user manuals. They're in different languages, and it tells you everything that you need to know about the nail drill. So you got the little power adapter that comes with it. Let me go ahead and pull all of this out, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I have unboxed everything, and this is the way that the nail drill comes. It comes with like a little sitting thing. Is this a little sitting stand that you could just put it on and let it sit there and relax? I didn't take this off just yet because I wanted you guys to see that it shows you where the input piece goes for the power. Because y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was sitting up here struggling trying to find a little power piece for the find this little piece to stick the cord in, and it was right here all along. Let me take it off now. Okay, so upon unboxing this, y'all know it does come with little drill bits and then standard drills. I'm gonna actually take it off this little stand because I just want to hold it. This feels very luxurious, and I guess when it's like this in a little bag, you can go ahead and you can stick it on your pocket, or, you know, stick it in your apron if you're doing other people's nails. I just do my nails. I don't do nobody else's nails. So you can stick this in your little apron to use in order to make sure that you don't lose it. So I like that little fact. And I also like the little carrying port for the handheld part of the machine. And y'all, this is a beautiful, like a rosy pink color. And let me turn it so that you guys can see that it is a reverse as well as a forward. And I will put on the screen how high this thing goes so that you all are familiar with it. But it does give you the RPMs right here on the front. And I'm just going to turn on the drill to give y'all a quick little demonstration so we can also see how quiet it is. And if I'm not mistaken, this is actually a portable, y'all. This is a portable electric drill. Maybe I should have mentioned that in the beginning, and I should have read everything. But this is a portable electric drill, y'all. A portable nail drill, y'all. This is so cool. I love the fact that this is portable. And you see, it already comes with a full battery charge. And isn't, to me, it can, now, let's be for real. Some people may think that it's loud, but for me, it's not that loud, y'all. Like, it's not that loud. and I'm switching the forward and the reverse. And as you see, it goes up to 35 RPMs. And I really like the fact that this drill is a portable drill. Y'all, again, I will say, I did not know that this drill was going to be portable. Because y'all know I'm used to the USB, the drills that you use with the USB, as well as I'm used to my Melanie Susie 2-in-1 nail drill nail dust collector. So y'all, this is absolutely, I'm floored. I'm in love. I can't wait to use it. And I am going to be using it to take off these Gel X nails because it's time for me to redo my nails. As you can see, they are growing out. Some of the designs done chipped off. So I'm going to be using this drill in order to do that. And that's going to be in a separate video. But I did want to give you guys the unboxing, let you guys see how this nail drill looks. It is very, very luxurious, if I do say so myself. I am going to leave a link down below in the description box to this particular nail drill. They do have other colors besides this rosy pink color. Me personally, I like the rosy pink color because I'm a little girly. So, you know, that does it for me. But they do have other colors if you are interested in them. And I'm floored. This is so cool. I do want to say thank you to Kredioo, and I hope I'm saying it right. If I'm not saying it right, please forgive me. I do apologize. Charge it to my head, not my heart. But I want to say thank you to Kredioo for sending me over this nail drill to review and show to my audience, because y'all, this is some good stuff. This is some luxury right here. Like this, it feels really nice in the hand. Like, y'all need to get this. And you know, I don't review anything on my channel unless it is good. If it is not good, it does not make it to my channel, because y'all already know I do not like y'all wasting y'all money and spending y'all coins on something that is not good and something that is not worth it. So I will be leaving the link down below in the description box to this portable nail drill. It is an Amazon exclusive. So if you do have Amazon Prime, I do believe you can get that 2-day shipping, which is always good. So I will leave the link down below in the description box. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell y'all that, but y'all know I'll leave it down there so that you can go and you can purchase you one of these portable nail drills as well. And be on the lookout for me using this nail drill to take these nails off so I can go ahead and get ready to put on a fresh new set. I want to say thank you all for coming through and watching my video. I want to thank Kredioo again for sending me over this nail drill to review for y'all. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this tribe. I'm still trying to find my tribe of people. I appreciate everybody who's already here. But make sure you share me out. Y'all, don't be stingy with the wealth. Y'all know I'm Mrs. Do It All. I do hair, nails, and makeup. And I want to make sure that you're able to do your hair, your nails, and your makeup by yourself as well. So share me out. Go ahead and boost my content up. Put me in the algorithm, okay, boo? Okay. All right, you guys. Bye.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me? I can